Okay. Well, we've waited overnight, so I'll get you to come and have a look at the different colours. So we've got the green here, some red, some yellow, and some blue. Now the first thing to make one of your bottles is a bottle or a jar. So I'm going to use this one. Just keep that back. And then you need to make a funnel. Or if you've got your own funnel, but if you don't, easy way with a piece of paper, just roll it up. So you've got a thin end. And once it's ready, then of course better than this, then use sticky tape to put it together. Unfortunately we didn't have sticky tapes, so we had some stickers. Alright, so now all we need to do is we just get some of the sand and we just pour it in, making whatever pattern we want to make. So I'm just hoping that it is going to work. Now the problem that I'm going to have is getting it to separate, and looking at that, I don't think I need much more yellow, so I might put a little bit of red on top, considering the hole has closed up a little bit.
And a little bit of green.
Oh, a bit more. Yeah, I'll just put that there. Oops, let me get this right. I think it goes that way. That's it. All right. So the colours aren't as vibrant as I would have liked. However, I will have a go make another one. There is another way that we can make the colour, and that is, like my beautiful assistant Diane showed me yesterday, we get our plain colours, or the plain sand, and gradually, with a glove, add food dye, just a liquid food dye, a drop at a time, and just mix it through. So you can see the difference between the green there and the green here. So maybe what I might do is I might quickly, using this other model of sand, have a go and make another one. It's just I won't put as much in as I did of each colour. And then we'll be able to see the difference. Now this is all experimental. As I said yesterday, I have done this before, but it has been a long time, and given our circumstances, I wanted to get things out as quickly as possible so that people can start exploring different ways to brighten up their lives at home. And that's just probably a little bit wet still, but maybe I can go a little bit at a time. Alright, let me tip that out. And maybe I'll just put a little bit in this way, just to get a bit of an indication of how you can make it look. Oops, sorry, that was a little bit loud. Alright, a little bit more of this, and then I'll put another colour in. It's mixing up the sand can be done either by yourself, or you can do it with Little Wonders. So I'll put a bit of purple in, which Kaylee helped to make yesterday. And then we'll be able to see a bit of how the different colours can blend better. I think these containers probably should have had the lids off overnight, and then they might have dried out a bit more. But we'll make do. Let me see if I can get this to work. Right. A little bit more of this one, and then I'll see if I can get another colour. Oh, let's poke it in with that. Alright. Oh, I'll just show you that. Just 2 colours. So that's how simple it can be, as long as you get everything organised first. As with anything, if you're going to be experimenting, it's always going to be an experience, whether or not you are successful or not, because experiments are not always successful. So once you've made your bottles, what you can do is you can place them around your home, places that need a bit of brightening up. You can make them for focusing on if you're going to be doing meditation or mindfulness practices. You can even make them as little gifts for people in your home. Remember, only in your home. We don't want to be going out and visiting other people during this time. So for now, I'll leave you with that. And hopefully some of you are game enough to have a go and make your own coloured sand therapy jars. Thank you.